Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to customize both the quick access toolbar as well as your ribbons inside of Microsoft Office applications. Specifically, we'll be showing you guys in Word, but this functionality is also available in the other main Office applications. Before we get started with this video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll leave links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so we're here inside of Microsoft Word, and I have an essay that I was working on. So if I go to the Home tab here, or to the Insert tab or the Draw tab, this is what's called my ribbon. My ribbon is separated into categories that they call groups. So we have our font group, we have our paragraph group, and these things are somewhat customizable. And so that's what we're going to be showing you guys. In addition to that, we have our quick access toolbar, and that's these little icons up here. So for me, I currently have my clipboard, I have the save button, and I also have create a new blank document. Okay, let's go to File and Options at the bottom. All right, let's say I wanted to add some things to this quick access toolbar. One thing that I would like to have in that area is save as. Sometimes I want to save the document as a PDF or something else. So let's click add. Let's see what else I may want to add there. Maybe another one that would be good for me is find. Now, just as easy as I can add these features, I can also remove these features. Let's say I don't need the clipboard in there. I will click remove. And when I'm happy with this, I'll press OK. And as we can see, we have our find option up here. And now we can see that save as there as well. Now, if we want to go back to customizing this a little bit quicker, hit this little button right here. And here we can quickly add or remove those features as well. Maybe one of them we want to add quick print. Maybe I want to remove that. So the most common features here, I can easily check or uncheck them. All right, let's go back into File and Options at the bottom left. And then here we have the Customize ribbon. Now, this is basically set up by the tabs. So these are our main tabs. We have our Home tab, we have our Insert tab, and the rest of the tabs as well. Okay, so let's say I want to add this somewhere in my home ribbon. I'm going to click on New Group. We have to make a custom group here. Okay, and then right-clicking on this, and I'll rename this. And I'm going to call this File. Okay, I'll press OK on that. And let's bring that up by the clipboard column here. So between clipboard and font is our file. And then with that selected, I'll add the new file. I'm going to add a few other things to here, such as open. And then maybe I also want to add save and save as. Let's hit OK. And as we can see, we now have a new group inside of our ribbon on this page. And again, this was our Home tab. Just as easily as I did that, I could also remove some of these things if I don't want them. We would recommend spending some time playing with the different customization features available inside of Word or Excel or PowerPoint. You can really customize this to exactly how you need it to maximize your efficiency. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything we covered, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. You can find those links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have any ideas that you'd like to see, we strongly encourage you to comment those below as well. Most of these requests get made into actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.